the taking of Makkah. In the year 630, the Makkans attacked the Banu Khazaf, a tribe under Muslim protection, and thus violated the Pact of Hudaybiyah. The stricken tribe sought help from the Holy Prophet ﷺ. The Holy Prophet demanded the Makkans to pay ransom for slaves, to refrain from supporting the attackers, or declare the cancellation of the Pact of Hudaybiyah. The Quraysh did not respond and rather gave the impression that they were no more interested in the pact. Disappointed with the behavior of the Quraysh, the Holy Prophet ﷺ led an army of 10,000 men towards the city of Makkah. Abu Sufyan, who had not embraced Islam at that point, offered his submission, and apart from a minor clash, no blood was shed. The Holy Prophet ﷺ took the possession of the Holy Kaaba and his birthplace in placid triumph. Makkah, the heart of Arabia, now lay before the Holy Prophet ﷺ. The power of the Quraysh had been broken once and for all. Instead of being vindictive, the Holy Prophet ﷺ forgave his enemies. He demolished the idols of the Kaaba and dedicated the building afresh to the worship of the one true Allah. The Holy Prophet ﷺ restored the keys of the sacred house back to the original keepers and told the people to come there in peace. This conduct delighted the Makkans, and they considered this generosity of the Holy Prophet the height of nobility, and came forward to enter this astonishing religion, which turned enmity into love.